Hi, welcome to the Crypto Lifestyle. We focus on mass adoption, decentralization, and other aspects of cryptocurrency that'll bank you coin. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when we post our next video. And join the TCL community. We would greatly appreciate it. I'm the Crypto Lifer. I also have a YouTube channel. Hit the link pinned in the comment section and in the description below. That's my channel. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday nights for 8 p.m. for that Bitcoin weekly candle close to get you ready for the week ahead. I also make videos like this. So subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. One thing I do have to disclose. We here at the Crypto Lifestyle are not financial advisors. Please do your own due diligence and hire your own financial advisor before getting into any project, coin, or trade. So let's watch the intro, then I'm going to get into what's going on with the XP network.
It's the Crypto Lifestyle, baby!
Okay. The XP network, tearing down walls between blockchains. The XP network is the first blockchain-agnostic NFT ecosystem. It enables multi-chain support out the box, baby, for any mined NFT, dApp, or use case, allowing NFTs and funds to flow freely between networks and wallets. I mean, this is what I've been hoping for. DM, Cardano. I don't like seeing DM, but it is what it is. Avalanche, Cardano, Solana, Algorand, you name it. Polygon, we can move cross-chain on the XP network. It's an inclusive ecosystem. We aren't just looping in chains, we're building the largest NFT dApp ecosystem, one that will connect different protocols and remove entry barriers for non-technical entrepreneurs. We build fast bridges so that you can build great dApps. And yeah, you can build dApps without having full coding knowledge. Design, migrate without code. This is why this is amazing. Our codeless editor showcases the power of XP Network's blockchain-agnostic tech. Many chains support NFTs, but which one is the best for your project? With the editor, you can try them all. Build a dApp without code and then deploy to any chain in minutes. Want to migrate? No problem. The codeless editor allows you to move a dApp to another chain with a single click. We support Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, Elrond, BSC, and HO. And more coming soon. I mean, that's enough right now. And then you can try the demo right off the bat. Imagine your perfect NFT dApp and then build it with the codeless editor. Codeless editing is where we need to go. Not everyone can sit there and learn coding, but we all need to move at the speed of light, and we all want the tech. If we all could put our hands on that tech without the coding, unbelievable. This is why this is going to be a big project, and this is why this is something we really need to pay attention to. I really like this. Decentralization and mass adoption. One, decentralization because it connects multiple chains, all different types of chains, and it can move. So it's not centralized on one chain. It goes everywhere. Mass adoption, because the more chains you can connect to, the more people you can get adopted into the technology. So I love what's going on here. I really like the XP network. Mainly, I want to talk about tomorrow with the XP.Net IDO. Be the first to buy the XP.Net tokens at the best price. The IDO is absolutely the best moment to join the XP network ecosystem. You can get it on BSC, Occam, Gate.io, and PancakeSwap. Early investors can now claim their XP.Net. Check how many of your tokens have been unlocked already. So if you're an early investor, you're going to be able to claim your XP.Net tokens too and participate. What XP.Net can do for you, you don't need a dApp developer to benefit from holding XP.Net. So you have proof-of-stake validation. You become a validator on the network's parachain to confirm transactions and help the network run. In return, you'll earn a share of the transaction fees. Even better, attract nominators to increase your stake and earn even more. You can also stake it on a validator you trust and get regular rewards. This is the easiest and safest way to profit from holding the XP network tokens. No technical experience needed. Every transaction is meticulously inspected by a pool of independent decentralized validators. Both internal and bridge relay validators are awarded for their benevolent work. The transaction fee is paid by the account holders submitting the transactions. And there's cross-chain value transfer. That's something that's interesting to me. Haven't seen that. Thanks to numerous cross-chain bridges, XP Network is developing token holders will be able to seamlessly transfer their assets to and from the bridge blockchains. The bridges are designed to be decentralized. A pool of independent relay validators ensures the integrity of assets between the blockchains so that nothing is lost or duplicated. We'll see what happens with it tomorrow with the IDO, but it will be the first time you can get the public IDO for XP.Net. PancakeSwap, it's going to be there. Check it out. So if you hit join the community, it's going to take you to this Telegram channel and then go to the pinned messages. You go up to the top and you hit the pinned messages. And once you get to the pinned messages here, you're going to see XP.Net launch. The IDO launch September 4th. XP contract address is right here. Only use contract addresses from pinned messages from the official Telegram groups, okay? You're going to get it on BSCpad. It's also live right now on Gate.io. You can jump into the IEO right now and participate right now on Gate.io. So that's something that's also very interesting. Check that out as well. So that's it, folks. This is coming out tomorrow. I wanted to give you all the different ways you could get into the IDO, even the IEO that's going on as we speak. I really like the project. I really like how you don't have to code to be able to do all these different things on multiple chains. I gave you a quick overview. If you want more in depth, watch this video by Connor here at our channel. He'll school you and show you what's going on. He nailed it. He nailed it, and I believe that's really going to give you an in-depth information into the project as well. Thank you so much for watching The Crypto Lifestyle. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when we post our next video. Remember, till next time, you're on your own.